Hey dude, here to tell you about the time I forgot my bike code. It's a terrible thing to happen, especially to a gangster. It's terrible. Don't want that to happen to you, man. You gotta remember your bike code. Well, I forgot it. I forgot to lock it up. And I stole my own bike. That's just terrible. I got away scot-free because I forgot my bike code. You don't want that to happen to you. No, you don't. Another time, I was with this guy. I said, "Give me your money." He said something stupid like, finger gun's not gonna scare me. That's the finger, blah blah, finger can't do that. And then I'm like, oh, well, I'm gonna bust your head open if you don't stop. But apparently he wasn't afraid, so I got out my bike lock. I wrapped it around his neck, but it was clear the only way I could kill him was by shutting it. I forgot my bike code. So I just had to shoot him with my finger gun, but it misfired. Bam! Didn't shoot him. And he killed me. That's why you should always remember your bike code. Goodbye.